Welcome to the Stress Relief Tapping Meditation. Before tapping on stress, it's helpful to better understand stress. Feeling stress doesn't mean there's anything wrong with you. It's just your body trying to keep you safe. And your job today with tapping is to let your mind and body know that it is safe to relax. Stress is a natural human experience that at times can serve us. If you are on a hike and you come across a rattlesnake, the stress response puts your whole body in high alert. Your heart races, breathing quickens, blood pressure rises, and you are in the perfect state to fight or flee from physical danger. The problem is we have that same physical response when we are stressed about our finances, relationships, or the state of the world. And although our body is designed to handle short bursts of stress, these longer and frequent stressful experiences have huge consequences on our physical and mental health. The reality is you can't be resourceful, creative, and innovative when you feel overwhelmed by stress. And if you are feeling stress, chances are that you are looking for new clarity and insight. You are looking for a way to navigate out of a problem. By tapping on these points, you are sending a calming signal to your brain to deactivate that fight or flight response, so you can feel and think at your best. Let's begin by checking in with the stress you have been feeling. Notice how the stress feels in your body. Maybe it's tightness in your stomach or pressure in your chest. When you think about stress, how stressed do you feel on the 0 to 10 scale? 10 being very stressed, 0 is no stress. Give it a number. In case you are wearing spectacles, I will request you to remove them. Now let's begin by taking a nice deep breath in and exhale as you begin to tap on the side of the hand. As always, we spend a short time focusing on the negative feelings we are experiencing so that we can comfortably let them go. Repeat after me, either in your mind or out loud. Even though I have been feeling all of this stress, I acknowledge the pressure I have been under, and I give my body permission to relax. Even though I have been under so much pressure, I know how hard it's been. I am open to experiencing more ease, even though I am feeling all of the stress. Right now and right here. It's safe to relax. Now begin tapping on the eyebrow point. I acknowledge how stressed I have been feeling. Side of the eye. It's safe for me to acknowledge all of my feelings. Under the eye. All my feelings are valid. Under the nose. I don't need to fight against the stress. Under the mouth. I can simply become aware of it now. On the collarbone, I'm willing to let go of this stress. Under the arm, it's safe to be present with my feelings. Tapping on the eyebrow point, no need to repeat after me. Continue tapping as you simply reflect. What is creating this stress? What is the most pressing problem in your life right now? Simply notice what comes to mind. Side of the eye, we can feel stress from so many different directions. But is there something you think about that creates the most amount of stress? And if nothing comes up, that's okay too. You are letting your mind be present with your thoughts, while your body continues to relax. Under the eye, notice how you can be present with your stressful thoughts. You don't need to fear your thoughts or try to control them. You are making room for all of your thoughts and feelings. Under the nose, your body reacts to those thoughts with a feeling of stress because it's trying to protect you. Your body has gotten into the habit of being on high alert to try to keep you safe. And with every tap, you are letting your mind and body know that right now and right here you are safe. Even with these thoughts, you are safe. Under the mouth, you can thank your body for its good intentions, and with every tap, you are letting your mind and body know. But it is safe to let go and relax more and more. On the collarbone, you don't need to control your stressful thoughts. because you don't need to believe everything you think with every tap. You are releasing the charge around that stressful thought and feeling more relaxed in this moment. Under the arm, with new energy comes new clarity. With more peace comes new insights. The solutions you are seeking are on the way. Top of the head, keep tapping on this point now. Allow your mind and body to relax more and more. Allow your forehead and jaw to soften. Allow your shoulders to relax. Notice the surface below you and how in this moment you are fully supported. Keep tapping on the top of your head and repeat after me. I let go of what I can't control, and I trust that no matter what happens, I will continue to find my way. I take it day by day, moment by moment, and in this moment, I feel more and more at ease. Moment by moment, I am releasing tension from my whole body, feeling grounded and centered, calm and relaxed. I breathe deeply and trust myself. I am finding my way. Good things are ahead of me. Keep tapping on the top of your head. I welcome in more joy and happiness. I welcome in more peace and trust. My body and mind are supporting me. And from this place, anything is possible. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, check in and notice how you feel on the 0 to 10 scale. So if you are feeling better, your number would go down. In those few minutes we tapped, you began to calm your nervous system and rewire your brain to let go of stress. If the intensity is still a little higher than you'd like, continue to tap along with this tapping meditation either now or in the future. And remember, any shift towards 0 is moving you in the right direction and should be celebrated. The more you do this process, the more powerful it will be. Until the next time we tap together, take care and keep tapping.